In this demonstration, I'm going to take you through the new print view enhancement that we've added to the NX Technical Data Package solution for the NX1953 release. In this example, you'll see that I'm using a single part with a number of model views, each one of the model views containing a number of PMI objects, and as I scan through them, you can see the individual objects in the model views. I've also created a TDP template in here to demonstrate the new object. So in this case, I'm just showing a simplified example of a viewport and a PMI table. And what I can do is add this new view or print view option, and it acts as a placeholder that I can place anywhere on my page. I can also resize the width, the height. I can control the border, whether it has a border or not, and place it onto my TDP template. Again, it acts as a placeholder so that when I publish, it will give me a list of all the model views that are contained in the published content, as well as an option to print. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll identify my bracket. I'll identify that I want to publish, and I'll specify that I want to use my print view template. When it's ready, it'll open up in Adobe Acrobat Reader. I can see that I've got my my viewport containing the active model view. I've also got my PMI table that I can go and select individual PMI objects. And I've also got the print view object that appears in the publish format. And you'll see that the first thing you'll notice is that it provides me with a list of the model views. So this acts as a view list, and it takes the place of either a view list on my template or even a view carousel if you choose to. The difference between the print view and the view list is that you've got these boxes or these checks next to the individual views. So I can individually check them for printing, or what I can do is I can do this select all, and it checks all of the views in this view list. So again, individually select them or select them all. When I'm ready to print, I simply hit the print button. This will open up the print views option or settings box. And I can just specify any one of the local printers that I have currently set up on my particular system or across my network. In this case, I'm just going to print to PDF to show you the example of what happens to the individual view. When I hit print, one of the things I want to draw to your attention is the fact that the viewport, automatically changes to a background of white and a foreground of black. It also automatically sets up the display to be illustration mode. And I simply go in there and indicate in this case, because I printed to PDF, I'll just give it a name, A for the first one, and I'll specify B for the second one. So this has gone out and printed it. It automatically resets my viewport settings to display the characteristic display that I had previous to printing. And now I've got my individual printed files. So again, whether I printed it to a printer, for paper, or whether I printed it to some other means, whether it be PDF or what have you, I've got the content that was shown on the print option.